I just can't stop it and I go fit run away. Girl, now your love, they make me feel. I've been singing this song beginning to end, word for word, like Nami right now for Reekado. I like the jam. I like everything about the song. And they come be say, my guys then inside the song, Reekado and Adekunle Gold and Malik Berry. I mean, all of them are my people. And of course, they killed the song basically.
They killed the song. But Reekado talk something for inside that song. We know the truth. He say, I feel using love manipulate them. How? How go me?
Woman, you dey trust woman.
Now some women they say they manipulate person. Yes,
I don't manipulate you before. No.
The exception.
If you give them chance, they go into manipulation. That's what they do.
God, we know how many years we know. I never manipulate you before, so no save them. What you be? What you be?
They go
Lady J like it, manipulation. Now what we see the kind of outside here. Your first statement is manipulation. You abandon me.
Not true now. How many years? 5 years.
You see,
5 years.
You abandon me.
5
manipulation.
years.
You just throw guilt. Manipulation say okay.
Guilt like this, but no.
Come on now. 5 years.
For women, manipulation comes naturally.
5 years. Even you God on. If you tell me I dey manipulate them, you go call me, Lady J. You not even see me. I tell you this one. You not even call me. Not be manipulation be that.
No. That one I just give you information. This one na manipulation.
Emotional blackmail.
Okay. All right. When I'm not hearing voice, Reekado Banks the studio with us here. Of course, we just close mouth with Feel Different. Where you do with Adekunle Gold and Malik Berry. When I know one of my favorite Reekado songs be that. Like this now, 11:15, Tuesday, June 10, 2025. Of course, today inside workshop, the hottest midday show for radio with me, the first voice, Godwin Adewaye and Lady J. By the one on Naija. Lady J, by the way, you look fine.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Where they go after this?
I know they go. Now me and Reekado, we don't see now, so we don't settle ourselves. So we are going out.
Okay, nice one.
Okay.
Okay. And of course, we get Reekado inside. Is Reekado how far now?
I do.
Congratulations once more on being a daddy.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
How your baby? Girl, right?
No,
Boy.
Okay. What if your son name?
Sage.
Wow.
Sage. Okay.
So how you feel?
It feels good. Feels great.
Wait when you that first feeling when you see him. You shock.
It dey mixed.
Okay.
Yeah, it dey mixed. If I'm being honest, but as time went by, as time has continued to go by, it dey very, very fulfilling.
Okay. To see your own baby. Nice one.
Okay. As somebody don't marry by 2007 to this year now, 18 years, right? By November I go be
2007 and 18.
By November 10 I go be 18 years for marriage, right? So what I want to tell you be say that feeling where you get now, wait till you get girl.
Yes. I can't wait.
A
for
totally different feeling entirely. You go be like say, you never get pikin before.
Wow.
For a man, you go say I tell you when the time when you get girl, when you hold your daughter for the first time.
I read somewhere say if God won't bless man, they give him daughter.
Daughter, forget it. My daughter, everybody from my house knows that my mumu bought it now. If they want something, I don't agree do and once he come tell me.
And she do
don't do that eye like
do
this.
eye like this.
It's finished.
I don't see that eye once.
So my two sons, when I get them, I know the way I feel. But when I see my daughter for the first time, 11 years ago, man, that feeling never come out till today. Crazy. You understand? So congrats, and so how fatherhood come be for you now?
Oh, lovely, very inspiring for me. They push me.
And now you don't get employer.
Abi,
because if you want to relax, when you remember say this guy day in future day, you go double the hustle and all that.
Even not just as easy as sleeping in the night. And my boss be that.
Exactly. Your boss be that.
Any sound that don't stand.
You don't stand up.
All right, so welcome to this. Now, it be like say you get album where they come for front.
Absolutely.
And I see also you the planned show for July. We'll talk about that one later. Yeah. Okay, but you get album because when they drop all these songs, since drop Feel Different, they drop all the music. Like say Ricky they plan something for front. So tell us about the album where they plan for front.
Yeah, it's called The Game Needs You. Okay. It drop 7th July.
The Game Needs You.
The Game Needs You. That's the title of the album.
Yes.
Why that title?
So personally, I call them The Game Needs Me.
Okay.
But I don't already see the light. I don't already understand. So the game needs me. So now avenue to just inspire anybody else. We they sleep on themselves, or no they take enough action, or just they feel like say they get more time. Yeah, definitely you get more time, but just get them at the back of your mind. Say
The game.
you get uniqueness where you possess, where the world gas experience. So no matter how many people they do it, they do.
Yeah.
Just understand, say you get waiting God put for your own.
Yeah.
The mods,
Yeah.
You know, we guys enjoy.
The world
we guys-
need
The world needs
the world
you.
need to still experience you. I mean, if you're not important, then you know they're here.
Yes, if
God
I
no
don't-
go put you if everybody wey they don't do everything. God, then you should get your own unique thing to add basically.
Yes.
Right? How many tracks did this album?
15.
15
As
tracks.
many as 15.
Okay, it's 15 tracks. Wow. I mean, you don't tell I hear somebody do track. Most of them are like 10,
Yeah, but
maximum
I mean,
12.
Davido did like 17 on his last one.
Yeah, yeah, not true, Sha. That's
Yeah, so
what-
one of these songs where you release, where I really like, Solo.
Mm.
I wonder, you say you dey fly solo, so I dey come the one that say who vex Reekado wey he talk say I no get time for anybody, I dey fly solo. Wetin
Yeah,
happen?
so this song I released after I ended a certain partnership
Okay.
that lasted or ran for about 5 years, and at the end of the day I realized say it no serve me as much as I hope say it will serve me,
Okay.
and not just ode to that relationship. Did this song where we say I'm done with that, and one of the biggest lessons where I don't learn in my life, especially where the industry don't teach me, now say I am enough.
Yeah.
Yes. So in the beginning of that partnership, I was looking for somebody that was going to help me do what I didn't think I could do. Although I know if you do everything, but there are certain people that God has placed in my circle that can do those things.
Yeah.
So rather than me going outside and just find waiting no loss,
You look inward.
I look inward and I realize say by myself, by the
Yeah.
people with day around me,
Yeah.
I'm enough.
There enough. Lovely one. 15 tracks. Okay, so how many producers you work with?
A bunch, starting from the Ogologo of all of them or Don Jazzy.
Seriously?
Wow.
You are not just do song.
We do some,
In sing or you just produce?
and produce.
How that one happen? Tell us.
No,
You just call her. I know say una since you leave maybe I know say una still be guys.
Yeah.
I know say even though some people they carry rumor. Me I know say nothing because you know say me and you they very close. If something happen, I go know say something
Right,
happen.
right.
I know say na just a matter of contract finish. Me you just
right.
and so how it happen? You just call and say you want do song or we want to hang out one day. Tell us the genesis.
Yes, so usually we go just hang out. Most of the times, not just to greet them, not to carry gifts to go meet them, or to play games, or just gist and stuff. But this day, I went with the idea of making music,
okay.
and he had just made some new beats the night
Okay.
before, and it was like, what, let's enter the studio. He get some beats where I don't could make last night. We could check. At that time, I was feeling like, oh, they didn't make enough sense, the beats. And I'm
Okay.
like, yo, you get this one where they play now. It's too bad. I was like, okay, let's write now. So we started to write, and in like 3 hours, we don't finish the music.
3 hours. Wow.
That's short.
Wow. Really short.
I mean, but when you
And
present
the
that people,
combo.
when you present that people who don't know
No,
themselves, they don't
yes, yes.
What is the title of that song?
December.
December.
Okay, definitely not one of the songs ready for the album. Which other producers you work with?
Yeah, with names like Andre Vibes. Andre Vibes now produce Countdown
Okay.
by Rema.
Okay.
Shemzy produced the new Wizkid and Olamide.
Kai.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Amongst many others, there are some
Okay.
really young ones as well that I worked with. And
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So who produced Bunkutu?
Now, one of the young ones. His
okay.
name is Fizzy. And the way this one take happen, they very interesting. Because I just did waka come up from church one Sunday. And he just waka come meet me say, oh, bro, I make beats. It would be nice to link up. And at the time, like I said, I was in a partnership.
Okay.
Okay.
And an album was ready in that partnership. So I wasn't ready to record new music.
Okay.
So I just told him, just hit me up on IG. He did. I linked him up with my sound engineer, and he started to load my sound engineer beats.
With beats.
So as at the time when I come in that relationship, that partnership, and I wanted to start to work on something else, I just opened up in files.
All the beats were not the same.
And I just started to go through, and I worked on a bunch of them, and Mokutu kind of stood out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me the meaning of Mokutu.
Mokutu, I think, not be particularly Yoruba word, but now slang for like enjoyment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow.
So Mokutu generally.
Mokutu just enjoy.
You mean enjoyment.
Enjoyment. Okay.
Make we enjoy.
How long it take you to work on this album? How long you go say? How many months or years it take you to
Not so long, to be honest. Because of how much work I put in every day. We literally started, I think, in December and we finished April.
Okay.
So about 5 months.
5 months, okay. I mean, with constant work, I mean, it makes sense. Okay. Good morning, rather.
Good afternoon.
I see money. We see the money. No verse. What be your name? Where they call from?
Yeah, my name is D String from Ojo.
Oh yeah, talk to Reekado.
Mr. Reekado, I greet you both.
I greet you, brother.
Yeah, I salute you.
Respect.
Yeah, for me, one of your favorite songs I like, that song, Feel Different.
Feel different. Thank
I
you.
want to ask you a quick question.
Okay.
Like two. Number one, we say, that particular song, Feel Different. What really inspired the song? And number two,
Nice question.
It is smoke.
Anyway.
What are they smoke? Okay. He go answer the two. Just they listen. Yeah, they listen. Go answer the two.
Okay, for Feel Different, I mean, the song self-explains itself. Now how I feel at the time about relationships and the position where I did. It just be like, say, away no pure.
Yes. So you don't see some kind.
Yeah, so
okay.
Now waiting inspire, and yeah, I know they smoke it, bro. I know they smoke.
No, they smoke. Okay. Okay, Reekado, tell us about Glamorous. How you and me could take do this song? How the song come about? And who produced this one?
This one is Shemzy, the guy.
Okay.
Who produced, the Olamide and Whiskey.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for Glamorous, when we heard the beats, when I heard it first off, I was like, this is an Afro pop sound. And now waiting informed the collaboration with that. Meyokuna very now person with the for my close circle.
Yeah.
So I think I'm say if this is an Afro pop sound, it would be nice to put another and me I be Afro pop musician as well. And we did one of the few guys with the sing songs with the like pop with the like Afro beats with the get that love undertone many times. So that was what informed the collaboration. And then I reached out to him. He came to the studio to the camp, and he was able to do what he had to do quickly enough.
Okay, hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. My name is MC.
Your name is waiting.
MTZ.
Okay, fine. Talk to Reekado.
Reekado, I like your song.
Thank you, brother.
And the girl question I was, you say this track is Jento that Siku. Jento that Siku. He did the album.
You see what I did the album?
Oh no, you know the album.
You know the album.
That one,
you know
nah, single on your own. You could
Not
check that one on your own.
Not just sing on your own.
For so many years, like 3 or 4 years, or maybe something my phone. Let it sit down.
All right.
I like
Get
it
it
song
chopped
like
down.
that.
All right. Thanks for your call.
Good morning. Homo. Nice hearing your voice in the studio, Reekado. May the Lord continue to increase you in knowledge, wisdom, and understanding.
Amen.
All the jams we don't play for us today, but one way we see, nothing if you take them off my head, now that catapult. In the line, you never catapult of envy. My name is Ibrahim Pomipakon Magada.
Ricky, when this album did drop?
7th July.
7th of July.
On a Monday morning.
Monday morning. First
No, be midnight. Not midnight.
I mean, midnight.
Okay, midnight, yes.
12
midnight.
midnight.
Yes.
So once you just wake up 7th of July like this, the album don't drop.
Yes. So as they go work, you just plug in.
Yes, you go on there on all platforms, stream,
Yes.
download, and share. And I go encourage everybody to go stream, download, and share this album because now the only way we fit to support good work like this.
Yes,
In those
now.
days, that you go say buy the CD for traffic and
That
everywhere.
one no dey again.
You know,
No
they
day
again.
again.
So now,
You
now
want
to
to say
stream.
Ricky Standard? I dey hail you, OG. Keep moving.
Love.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
What's be your name? Where they call from?
Please, I'm calling commercially.
Oh, yeah, talk to Reekado.
Reekado, I greet you.
I greet you, brother.
I
greet you, pass.
I like your song.
I appreciate.
I
God
beg,
bless.
greet your song, Catapult. What will be the inspiration behind it? Can you just explain? I love the song.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
Ingo explain that now. Just listen. Thank you very much.
You know what thing they even make I say sweet me now? How did they take you down memory lane?
So those this one are core fans.
No.
People that they follow the music from the one.
Yes.
So this guy say one no inspiration behind Catapult.
Yeah, Catapult na simply love music. Me expressing my love for the woman where I believe say she deserve past waiting at the give am. So lines like no be me fine pass my pretty baby girl. Still you stand by me, you know, even though I make you vex. So now person where they really loyal and I just they express just how well she stand by me, how well she love me.
Okay. I say, Ricardo, you too much. May God bless your hustle. Please
Amen.
show love for me. I've been waiting for this day. Much love, Susan from Okoko.
I didn't they wait for this day. Okay, I talked last week. You remember when we just fixed the to say well, tell me say they come on Tuesday. I talk and say okay, Ricardo if he come next Tuesday.
Hey,
You don't they wait.
Don't they wait.
last be like I go do this giveaway.
Okay, well if you want to anybody if you sing the full chorus or the full verse. No, a chorus and a verse. Anybody if you sing one verse and the chorus of Glamorous. Fastest fingers first, they give them sometimes they share 5k for like 10 people and they share 10k for that. So Ricky, I want to ask you, is there anybody for this industry where you like so much, artists where you never do song with, you go like to do song with the person if you get the opportunity? Somebody where you just feeling vibe, you don't need to be very big artist, if you be one young person, somebody will say, well you don't hear like one or two, say man this person there, you don't imagine doing something with the person.
Get one girl where I really like to do music with, and I don't already do them now.
What
What be her name?
Her name now Winnie.
Winnie.
Yes.
Okay, so she
The
did
name
this
sound
album.
very familiar.
Yeah, maybe I don't know. If not,
She
I'm glad.
Winnie Adaru.
Yes.
I don't meet Winnie.
You know,
Yes.
you
I know
you
the
know,
Winnie now. We get her music. We don't play her music.
Yes.
We get her music. Winnie na amazing singer.
Amazing. Like,
Singer. She
off
come
the
from
roof.
Benue.
Yeah.
Idoma girl. Yes.
I think she in fact lived in Kaduna.
She live in Kaduna.
Okay.
She's
We get her
just
music.
Exceptional.
Honestly, very
Okay.
talented singer.
What did they inspire you, Ricky? I mean, if you, what did they inspire your music? Because I don't notice that most of your songs, the lyrics, they're very intentional. If somebody listen to Feel Different, you go not see they talk about relationship. You listen to Glamorous, talk about somebody they were describing how beautiful the person be. Go come. So it get beginning, middle, and end. You understand? Like that, like story.
Right.
You understand? So, waiting they inspire them. Should not based on waiting you see, or when you sleep, wake up, or
I owe am first of all to God. The
Okay.
giver of all inspirations, and just the fact say, my music I don't realize say na my weapon be that, na my avenue to fit talk my mind. So, as beautiful as it dey my mind, na how I dey express
they
it.
express them out.
Yes.
Okay, so the album they drop July 7th on all platforms. Once you wake up that morning like this, and if they go on any platform to listen to music, just go to listen to The World Needs
The
You.
Game
The
Needs
Game
You.
Needs You, rather.
You say na the world needs you.
The Game Needs You.
Yeah, the same
Like the
thing,
same,
to be honest.
The Game Needs You by Reekado. Okay, so what next? I don't see the album go drop. You don't shoot videos for any of the songs we did that.
Yeah,
Which of the videos you don't shoot?
They even dropped the video for Glamorous on Friday.
On Friday.
This
Oh, wow.
Friday. Okay, that's good. One I shoot the video. Nigeria.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Lagos, yeah.
And who director?
His name is Media Kid.
Okay. Well, they watch out for that one. Okay. So Friday the video for Glamorous they drop.
Sorry, make it not be like say they come from the back, but this the way you spell GLAMOUROUS.
No.
Wait.
No.
Wait now.
GLAMOUROUS. L-A-M-O-R-O-U-S.
Hey, come on.
Oh yeah, sing am again. L-A-M-O-U. M-O. Oh, sorry, I put the U. Now you make the mistake.
Then you go pause.
L-A-M-O-R-O-U-S. Okay. So waiting with my point I say, I dey rush lyrics. Now make the mistake for there. But waiting where you dey, where your headspace dey when you decide to spell am, and then sing
like I
am.
said, this one, God, giver of
because if you check the other
inspiration.
part, beautiful, you understand?
Nah.
You get person wey don't get inspiration to
And now
dey
go sing song like that. Nice.
So
Really,
that's why
really
when I
inspiring.
saw this song now, and of course, now the right person you put on top, Mayor Kun. So like I dey tell now, stream, download, and share July 7th, and videos. We expect video this Friday for Glamorous. All right. So when you got, well, I believe say you get planned for tour and minus your show they come for July. And tell us about your show.
July 18th, Abuja at the Transcorp Congress Hall.
Okay.
Yeah, we did do my first headline concert for Abuja.
Okay.
For the Abuja now one city we don't always show me love. So it good say at the start
Yeah.
my being on the road.
On the road from that.
From
So after
the-
that one, now you go.
Yeah, after that
Oh.
one we get to go to Canada. We get to do a couple Nigerian cities where we dey put together, and then we dey do London, Birmingham, Manchester, and 2 others, and then we go cap them up for Lagos for November.
Okay, for November.
Yes.
Okay.
Lagos time be headquarters of entertainment. For
Okay, so
you
I go
come
like
back here.
I go like ask this question. Somebody like me, my genre of music, I go fit get spot to perform my song.
I mean, music na music. So, yeah,
So
Okay.
you don't hear that. So just to prepare for November. you
Eh.
perform with the-
music na music.
Okay. All right. So now, imagine 11:45 right now.
All right
Okay,
now.
so Reekado, since you say one bless.
We don't talk tape this one.
Yeah. So
No.
since you say one blessed book, we will escort you come out with Glamorous. Okay. So, but before you come out, so what do you want to do for these people?
I don't know. You go let me know.
You play. Okay, I go let you know. Okay. Someone I just do 10 people. You don't like 3 people. I be wait first ask. So 7 people on Wednesday for tomorrow play radio. Go learn Glamorous. You see the way they talk am. You understand? G-L-A-M-O-R.
M-O-R. Ah,
What will they do tomorrow now? Say you go sing one verse and one chorus. And I sing Reekado verse and chorus, or Mayor Kun verse and chorus, but one verse and one chorus together. The first 7 people will get am. Now go win
See, yeah.
10K for
Sing the song like Reekado sing am. We no say do your own version. We no say do your own remix. No go put lyric wey no dey for inside the song. As in the way you hear am, Reekado verse plus chorus or Mayokun verse and chorus. Sing am.
Yeah, so go rehearse am now. Those of you they say I never do play radio for a while. Now I go do am tomorrow, courtesy of Reekado. So I will just tell Reekado to just do 100K. Give these people 10K.
No, make we do 25K each.
25K for each person. For the 7 of them.
Plus these ones.
That's 250K.
Oh wow.
Una don't see am ba? I don't know what I want to talk again. No, Reekado, Ricky, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Ricky, thank you very much. So everybody, una don't hear. Now, if you make me, I know the lyrics, so una kuku know me say Reekado song, I dey sing along every time. If you mistake, you know, win 25K is a lot of money.
Lot.
So you
Wow.
must this evening now just get the lyrics, write them down, do rehearsal. You know, like put they choir practice. And of course, I know how they do. I'm gonna take like two or 3 voice notes, calls, and then so we will join as 7 people. Go win 25K. Reekado, thank you very much. for
Thank
that.
you so much.
All right, so that's na Reekado giveaways to una as the country difficult. Again, any final words you want to leave for your fans and everybody, right? At least for today before you come out.
I appreciate you guys, man. I can't even say how much I do. And, you know, for the last, 10 years, where we done they come along, and I done continue to stick by me. So you get one song where I dedicate to Una for the album. It's called Bro Bro.
Okay.
So make a look out for when the album drop. Now that one is special for you guys.
So, you understand, special for all the fans and everybody out there.
Especially
All of
everybody
us.
where I follow talk to.
Everybody follow talk to yes, bro. And then I want to say a big shout out to Reekado. Last year for the second edition of Becca and the Girls who they go secondary school, Reekado no fit make and then he send money. I don't want to know how much, but he send big money. Oh, we buy all the gift packs, give the girls. This year, Reekado supposed to come. Now we can't change date. Can't affect in traveling. Reekado see record video.
And that na a lot of
when we play the video, that girl will tell the girls, say a message from Reekado, when we dey play for. If you see their principal, their teacher, all their face just they glow, they be happy everywhere. They use this. You know, the girls happy say, you know, they identify with them. So thank you for always.
Thank you for always being there.
Always been there, always supporting all the time. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we go. This glamorous escort Reekado come out for the studio right now. Who be your closest friend for Nigerian music industry? Your three people where you dey close to pass. Closest 3 people. Not put Don Jazzy in your oga. Not put that in your oga. I'm talking about guys. 3 people where you did very
Skibby,
close.
definitely.
Skibby,
Mayor
and
Lil Kesh.
Lil Cash. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell Skibby say the day I go see him physically, I go just arrest him.
Good.
Lock and somewhere. He go understand.
Good.
No, I know you will have choked me for it.
Thank you for coming, Reekado.
Thanks for
Wish you all the
coming.
best.
Thank
And of course,
you.
the game needs you. They come out July 7th, and then of course it gets show for July also for Abuja, and then tour around the world. And then the video they drop this Friday with Glamorous, Reekado and Mayoko and all that. And so we don't give you enough information what you need to know today. All right. One more time, go learn the song, stream and download and write down the lyrics. Tomorrow play radio between 12:30 and 1. Now only Glamorous will they play throughout. Anybody if you sing and 7 people go win 25k each courtesy of
Reekado Banks.
Of course, they say his song sweet, they play on 2 times. So we'll go escort you come out with Glamorous. Reekado, I want me to do radio presenter today now.
Yeah, no.
So you just tell me now.
Alpha, my people, now your boy be this Reekado Banks on top Naija 102.7 FM. My album when it come, The Game Needs You. It gets one particular Ogbonge music where they there we feature Mayoko. It's called Glamorous, and now we want to enjoy it. Godwin, take it away.
Come on.
Oh my God.
Because you're looking very